Yo, what up guys? Product feedback here with another video review. Today, or review, unboxing, I'll do both in one. I mean, it's just a mouse pad. This is the Razer Goliathus, the extremely big, the biggest you can get. You can see I've got a big desk, so I want to have something big. And my old Razer exact mat, the speed side started to wear through and things gone, so I replaced with something different. Anyway, that's the Razer Goliathus, so we'll just pop it open and then tell you some stuff. This is the Speed edition. The reason why they call it Speed is because it's smoother. Hold on, see. I know I'm off camera. Okay. Oh yeah, nice and thick. Which I don't know if I really want a really thick one, but it doesn't really matter. This is the biggest you can get. As you can see, it's not that huge. You can see, yeah, you can see that, right? And it's not that huge, but the surface feels really nice. And I'm just checking the tracking. This is a wireless Microsoft Arc. Just see if it tracks. Yeah, no, it's tracking nicely on the screen. So, yeah, it's not a bad pad. Does it slide? No, it doesn't. Yeah, no, for 25 Australian dollars, I don't think you can go wrong. So, just so anyone who wanted to look at a mouse pad on YouTube, there you go. That's another product feedback review. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Thanks, guys.